In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test posts in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable test and read the results with confidence so you can improve performance without guesswork. Start by opening business.facebook.com and selecting the page you want to work with. This ensures you're in the right account and looking at the correct assets. Next, head to Ads and find Experiments. Depending on your layout, you might see experiments inside Meta Ads Manager. Either route works as long as you land in the Experiments area. Click Create Experiment and choose A/B Test. This creates a controlled environment where two or more versions can run head-to-head under the same conditions. You'll be asked to pick the variable you want to test. Creative will compare different images or videos, Audience will compare different targeting groups, and Placement will test where your ads are shown across Meta's network. A key tip here, test one variable at a time. Keep everything else identical so you know exactly what caused the difference in performance. Now set your budget, schedule, and audience. Choose a budget that's enough to gather meaningful data for each version and select a schedule that gives the test time to stabilize. Avoid super short windows. If you're testing audience, define your separate audiences here and keep the creative and placements the same. If you're testing creative or placement, keep the audience the same for both versions to maintain a fair comparison. Resist the urge to tweak settings mid-test. Changes can invalidate your results. Create two or more post variations that align with the variable you selected. For a creative test, swap only the image, video, or headline while keeping copy length, call to action, and offer consistent. For an audience test, keep the post itself identical and change only the targeting. For a placement test, use the same post and audience, then vary placements. Always preview each version to confirm the only difference is the variable you're testing. When everything looks good, click Publish or Run Test. Give the system time to deliver both versions fairly. Avoid pausing one early just because it looks behind in the first few hours. To review performance, go back to Experiments and open results. Look for the declared winner and the confidence level, and compare key metrics like reach, click-through rate, cost per result, or conversions, depending on your goal. Once the test concludes, document what worked and apply that learning to your next posts. Repeat this process regularly to keep improving results with data-backed decisions.